Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make as Yahoo default search engine in Chrome browser. So guys, if you use Yahoo default search engine, firstly click on three dots. After click on setting. After left side left panel, click on this option search engine. And this option search engine is in the address bar, so click on this option. And here history, Google, Yahoo, Indians, Big, DuckDuckGo, so click on Yahoo. Get this. So this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.